Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Like every time, I am with you, HB Islam. The main topic of today's video is how to hack Facebook ID for phishing. So, without further, let's go to start main part of video. First, I open the Chrome browser and open a tab. Then I will enter the site. Then first here I have to sign up. Name, password, re-password, email address, re-captcha. Next, sign up. I have been registered successfully. Reminder and login.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies.
Now see how many options are there from Facebook to Free Fire Messenger. Facebook has different sites from where you can get phishing link. Now I will show you a link on just Messenger. If we copy the link from here, we are done with creating phishing link. Copy and go to Facebook. Now I can give the link to any of my victims. Okay, and if you want give some offer, if he log in to this site, then his Facebook ID number and password will come to my site. How we can find the number and password and log in to the ID? I will just log into my fake ID and show for your understanding. Okay. I open the link and I give him my fake number and password. And connect. See, he will not understanding anything and his number and password are coming to us already now. Okay, I refresh the page and check this notification is 1 and new victim in 24 hours. I open the notification and show this number and password. I will open this number and password to see if the ID is correct. Facebook and log out. And enter this number, password, and login. This ID is login and I am successful. I have shown you the ID login. I hope you fully understand and it's 100% reliable and useful. I don't think anyone else will have a problem with the phishing site. So how to hack Facebook is shown in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and turn on the bell button. How did you like today's video in the comments? Please, we will talk about a new topic in this video. Everyone will be fine. Till then, Allah Hafiz.